taken.
Because your uncle didn't book any shelters.
Yeah, and that's a little bit crazy. Wow.
Aloe vera, strawberry, something. So so this shelter was taken, so we're gonna try a new one. I don't know why I didn't book any shelters, because I kinda knew in like 1 week ago I didn't. What are you doing, Amanda?
I'm
Climbing on a mountain.
on a mountain and I cannot come down now.
Whoa! What's the for, Amanda?
Right.
Pack slip der.
That was funny.
So we cannot find any shelters that's like open. Like all shelter is taken. So right now we're taking home.
And building a little house for us. And after we're gonna take on McDonald's.
No, we're gonna take out McDonald's first, and then we're gonna take it home and building like a howl, I don't know, like a cave with a towel over it, like a cave inside my bedroom. So we're gonna have fun there and cook some marshmallows on that,
Yeah.
and watch a movie. There was already people there.
Yeah, good one at home. Fish. Is it funny? Out. Indeed out. That's a little bit hard,
Good morning, guys. So we sleep at my home over this tarp today. Did you sleep good, Amanda?
Yeah,
Did you have fun?
yeah. But I push you out when I sleep.
Yeah, she was like, I have like a 2 meters bed, 2 meters wide bed, and she like filled like almost like the whole bed. I was sleeping on the side of the bed, like. Yeah. Oi. One. plus 1 Kyle. So it's your turn, Amanda. Try again. It's too easy. So we're just making pancakes to Amanda. This is so easy. You just fill it with water and then shake it. So it's kind of just shake and bake with water. It's so easy to use when we're out on a trip because it's not easy to have milk with us. So it's so much easier. See, look what I made, Amanda. Does it taste good, Amanda?